Hey lovelies, it's Ebony and I'm back with another video for you. This time I'm showing you my third holiday look, and I must say that this one is my favorite look so far. I wasn't expecting that because, you know, buns are buns. You see them all the time, you do them all the time, but this one just looks so regal and royal-like and just Christmassy. It's just like Christmas royalty. I just feel like a little princess with this thing on my head. Now this video came about because I still have a braid out left over, from the previous video that I just did. And that braid out is getting pretty old because I've had it in a half up, half down style. It's been rubbing up against my coat and just, it's getting a little bit raggedy. But I like to take advantage of my hair when it's not curly. It's still a little straight from the blow dry, so it's much easier to manipulate into a ponytail in a bun than it is when my hair is curly, because you know you can't brush out curls and get a nice slick bun. So that's why it was perfect for me to do this style next. And I even was able to put a little fishtail braid under here because the fishtail braid was supposed to be, you know, the attraction piece to this style, the part that made it interesting. But I decided to put this headband over top of it because I was gonna originally, you know, put it on my head. But this headband, I've been fighting with this thing for a couple weeks now. Y'all don't even know. But you see all these little leaves, it's so sharp and just, it's not easy to work with, and it's a pretty tight headband anyway. So I just decided, I put myself through all that pain and drama because I can't get it onto my head for some reason, and I don't feel like dealing with it getting tangled all in my hair, so I just stopped right at my bun. And that was probably the best decision I've made all week. I just think this look is so beautiful for the holidays. If you have like a fancy holiday party to go to, this is something that would work perfectly for that. And it also works, you know, if you just want to be a little bit extra around your family get all the attention. I just think it's really pretty and just so girly and perfect for the holidays. Now before I jump into the video, I just want to let you guys know, in case you haven't noticed already, that these holiday styles are sponsored by IamPlentiful.com. I love Plentiful hair products. It's not a secret. They keep my hair super moisturized. My hair is still moisturized from the braid out that I did, and I just want you guys to experience that. So if you want to go ahead and make your purchase and get some of those good products for yourself, go ahead and go to IamPlentiful.com. Use my discount code Ebony, EBONY, all caps. Get 50% off your order, even the package bundles. So go ahead and treat yourself to some hair products and save some money all at the same time, or give them to someone else. Now let's get into this hairstyle, and if after watching you decide you like what you see, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up, share this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. And notification gang, I've been seeing you. Thank you for letting me know in the comments who you are. If you haven't done that already, please let me see you. Put your name in the comments. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. And as always, thanks for watching.
Perfect, perfect. perfect, perfect.